Wow, this place is beautiful.
It feels so fancy.
It really does. It smells amazing in here.
Our most famous pastry is the Crown Croissant. Many guests come here just for that.
Yes, let's order the Crown Croissant. I want to know if it is really that special.
Then we should try it.
Me too.
Please be patient. Good bakeries are often busy.
Is the croissant for table 12 ready? They have been waiting a long time.
I know, they are waiting. No, not that one. Move faster. Fine, I will do it myself. Send it.
It looks perfect.
What is it? It looks nice, but something is wrong. It's a little dry. Yes, I think so.
Really? Sometimes food looks beautiful, but it still has a mistake.
Excuse me? Did you say there is a mistake in my pastry?
My daughter was only being honest. The croissant is beautiful, but it is a little too dry.
This is our signature pastry. People come here to eat it.
I understand, but today it is too dry. Perhaps your family does not understand this kind of baking. My family understands taste, and my daughter can say what she feels.
A child cannot judge a pastry like this.
She can judge if it tastes good to her.
That is not the same thing.
Maybe not, but food is still meant to be eaten.
Are you saying you can do better?
I am saying a baker should listen when something goes wrong.
That is enough. Please lower your voices. Mr. Julian, my name is Arthur Sterling. I write for the City Cafe magazine.
The magazine?
Yes, I am preparing a front-page article. The title is Baker of the Year. I tasted the croissant too, and today, it is not your best work, Julian.
So, here is my suggestion. This weekend, the two of you will bake here in this bakery.
3 rounds.
One winner.
Wait, I am not a professional baker.
That may be rude. Baker, and the story will up. Now let the food speak too.
It was a rainy Friday evening in a quiet small town. Sarah and her younger brother Ali were home alone.
Ali, Mom said we can order pizza tonight. Extra cheese, chicken, and lots of olives.
Pizza ordered. Awesome, now we wait happily.
The rain was tapping softly, and then everything felt peaceful.
Pizza's here!
Wait, check the peephole first.
Yes, it's the delivery guy. Sarah locked the door carefully.
This looks amazing.
They began eating, relaxed and happy.
Sarah, did you hear that?
They listened carefully.
Stay here, don't move.
She saw a shadow. Someone was inside.
There is a thief upstairs. Please help. There is a thief in our house. Stay on the line. Officers are coming. Something fell upstairs loudly. What was that? It sounded bad.
Where's the jewelry? They hid, holding their breath.
Who's there? This is the police. Come out.
The police! What do we do? They're coming for us!
Hands up! You aggressors!
They were safe, brave, and very smart.
Ali is a little boy. He is 8 years old. He lives with his dad. Good evening, everyone. Listen carefully.
Good night, Dad. I go to sleep now.
Blue car toy, but the night is not quiet. Listen. What is that sound? Wind is very strong. Bang, bang, bang. Something hits the window.
What? What is that? Oh no, the wind is loud. I am scared. Dad, where are you?
I am scared. There's a big noise. Maybe a monster is outside. Dad, please come.
Ali runs to the door, but he is afraid. He stops. He thinks, is Dad sleeping? Does Dad hear me?
Dad, do you hear me? I need you. I am small. I am scared.
Ali, my son, what happened? I hear you. I am here now.
Dad comes with a small candle. The light is warm. Ali sees Dad's face. Dad smiles.
I think a monster is coming. Look outside.
Come here, my brave boy. No monster. It is just the wind.
It cannot come inside. See? The window is closed.
But the tree is dancing. It looks scary.
But trees do not hurt us. They just say hello to the wind. Come, let's look together.
Look, Ali, the stars are still there. The moon is smiling. No monster. Only wind and stars.
Really? And you know what? You are very brave. You called me. That is brave.
Yes, very brave. I'm so proud of you. You didn't hide. You asked for help. That's strong.
Really?
Yes, Ali. I am very proud. Every day, when you study, when you play, when you help me, I am proud. And tonight, you are my hero.
Wow, thank you, Dad. I feel happy now.
The wind is slow now, not so loud. The power comes back. Light is on.
See? Everything's okay.
Here, take this. My old flashlight. Keep it near your bed. When you feel scared, turn it on. It is your magic light.
Thank you, Dad. Now I can fight the dark.
Yes, and remember, I am always here, day or night.
I love you too, my son. Very much.
Good night, Dad. I sleep now. No more scared.
Good night, Ali. Sweet dreams.
Miles, the wind is quiet, the night is peaceful. Ali knows Dad is proud. Dad loves him. Be brave like Ali.
Speak with me. I am brave. Dad is proud of me. Goodbye.